Okay.
And then it has, this is called vines.
Vine?
Vines.
Thorns. Okay.
And this is a caterpillar.
Oh, what is it doing?
Eating.
Eating what?
Eating leaves. And then, and the intimation twice it tied a pupa.
A pupa?
Yes.
Okay.
And it's a rainbow flower named Vicky-Ann.
Named Vicky-Ann. There's a rainbow flower. And then?
And then Vicky-Ann saw another flower. It's blue flower.
A blue flower.
And now it's a tatay flower.
Okay.
And then another one, it's a pink flower. It's called the nanay.
Nanay.
And a baby flower and a brother flower and a sister flower. They will have happily, and then
They will have a
present from Tito Flower.
a present for Tito Flower. Okay.
And then
What is that?
berry is not poisonous. I
It's not
can
po-
eat that.
It's a berry. It's not poisonous. Okay. And then?
And then this called ice.
What?
Ice with plants.
Ah, the earth. The earth is where people live.
Where people live.
Okay. And then?
And then you wonder what's this question?
Oh, what is that question?
The leaves with plants.
Huh?
The leaves is plants.
Okay. And then tell the story. Oh, what about this one? What is this?
A baby sunflower and a tatay sunflower.
Okay. And then what are they doing?
They drinking because they're tasty when there's a sun.
They're thirsty. And then what are they drinking?
Fall, you